have any loose articles of clothing or hair, this machine spins extremely fast. Destiny.
Hang on. If I turn this on, what machine from next door does that remind you of? Wire wheel, yeah.
That's what I was saying.
That wire wheel spun really fast, didn't it?
Oh yeah, I got cut.
I think cut.
It burns you. The fire wheel burns.
Yeah, it
That
does.
hurts pretty good.
You think this is going to feel good, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
Depends what you're into.
Can I
Yeah.
try it?
Next one, please.
Be sure that the blank has not gone flat. Damage could occur to the machine if it has gone flat.
The inner tube. In here. You guys finish writing. Inside here we have a little inner tube, like a bicycle tire. All right.
Pop it.
So this machine works really, really well for irregularly shaped objects. We can control how squishy it is by how much air is in it, right? This one over here, we have little brushes behind it. Again, good for irregularly shaped objects. I'm not going to demonstrate on that. I always forget to refill the air tube. It does have a small leak already. But same idea. We can do the same stuff over here. Next one, please.
Chris.
Be sure to use a part of blank or a plane when sanding small pieces.
What do we use next door, guys? Vice grips.
Or pliers?
Kind of same difference, right? Dylan, behind you, hanging on the end of the table there. Or sitting right on the table. We're going to use what type of clamp? No, not wood clamp. These are parallel clamps.
Boy, I'm right. Boy, you want to
Good job.
The advantage to these guys,
Good job.
if that machine is
Parallel.
running, is that clamp going to damage the machine? No. Made of wood, just like a piece that you're probably sanding, right? All right. Next one, please.
How do you refill those?
Balance down, like a bicycle. Right there on the side.
on the side.
Hearing a lot of questions about number 4 there. So, a pair of vice grips or a parallel clamp. Number 5, who's up?
Well, not.
Should not be removed. What are we using it for? Most common operation? Irregularly shaped objects.
Like a bowl.
So something like So again, because this is relatively large, I don't need my clamp or anything. But what I could do is I could finish sanding up a blade piece on this. Trust me guys, just like the wire wheel, you gotta be careful. What could happen if I lose control of it?
It grabs you.
It's gonna grab it, it's gonna chuck it, it's gonna hit that dust guard back there. It's gonna make a lot of noise, right Dustin? Yep. If you have little pieces, what's attached to it?
Thing that goes into the dust collector.
Dust collector. If you have a little itty bitty piece, where is it gonna go? It's gonna go way outside.
You want to go digging in that? Go ahead.
Yep. You can go digging if you really want. Trust me, I want to. Questions? This is one machine that you can definitely get through this class without having to use. All right, let's head over to the spindle sander, please.